Hello dear students, again welcome to the class. This is our English class. This is a new class. In this class, we'll read an interesting story, very humorous and unbelievable also. The title of the story, the lesson is A Letter to God. A Letter to God is written by the writer G.L. Founts. G.L. Founts means Gregorio Lopez Founts. So let's know about him. Gregorio Lopez Founts was born in 1895 and died in 1966. He was a Mexican novelist, poet, and journalist. He started his writings at the age of 15 when the Mexican Revolution began. Means when Gregorio Lopez Fuentes was only 15 years old, he started his writings. And at that time, Mexican Revolution started. Revolution means Biplava. He was awarded the National Prize of Arts and Science in 1935. So, this is all about the writer G.L. Founts. In this chapter, we'll know how Lencho is a Mexican farmer who had great faith, who had strong faith in God. He writes a letter to God when his crops fail. Does Lencho's letter reach God? Does God send him the money? Let us know from the chapter. We'll discuss the chapter paragraph wise. So, paragraph 1. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. From this height, one would see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour, or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. So, this is paragraph 1. First of all, we will know some new words of this paragraph. Crest. Crest means top or highest part of something, means sirsha. Dotted with means scattered over an area, means ବିଚ୍ଛୁରିତ ହେଇକି ପଡ଼ି ରହିବା. Downpour means heavy rain, खूब जोर ବର୍ଷା ବା ଦଲକାଏ ବର୍ଷା. Shower means light rain or rain for a short time, ଅସରାଏ ବର୍ଷା, କମ୍ ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ବର୍ଷା ହେବା. Intimately means very closely or very well, means खूब भलो भावे, घनिष्ठ भावे. Okay, so let's discuss the paragraph. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. Means Lencho's house, where Lencho lived with his family, that was situated on the crest, means on the top of a low hill, which was the only one house in the entire valley. Valley means उपत्यका. So Lencho जो घरे रहुथिला तो सेटा गोटे छोट पहाड़र नुआनिया पहाड़र शीर्ष भाग अवस्थित थिला आउ जोटा कि एकमात्र घर से एंटायर वैली रे थिला. From this height, one would see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. Means from that height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn which was scattered with the flowers and which always promised a good harvest. So, from that height, one could see the entire valley very well. तो सेई उच्चतारू जड़े कौन कौन देखिपर रिभर एवं से जो राइप कॉर्न मैं बिछुत होगी पड़ा फ्लावर सहित तो जोटा कि गोटे गुड हार्वेस्टर प्रमिज करूला जड़े देखिपर से हाइट्रु द ओनली थिंग द अर्थ नीडेड वाज ए डाउनपुअर or at least a shower means Lencho's cornfield only needed a downpour means a heavy rain or at least a shower or a light rain for good harvest. So Lenchor जमी कौन दरकार करुला भल अमल गोटे डाउनपोर किंबा गोटे असराय वर्षा दरकार करुला थ्रूआउट द मॉर्निंग लेंचो who knew his fields intimately had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. So all through the morning, Lencho did nothing. He only saw the sky towards the northeast. And Lencho knew his fields intimately, knew his fields very well. तो पूरा सारा सकाल सारा लेंचो आउ किछि काम करनुतला केवल नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड आकाश को देखिकी रही जे कि तार जमी को भल भाव जानी ओके सो लेट्स गो टू द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ नाउ वी आर रियली गोइंग टू गेट सम वाटर ओ मैन द ओमैन हु वाज प्रिपेयरिंग सपर रिप्लाइड yes God willing the older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all, "Come for dinner." It was during the meal that, just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body, and when he returned, he exclaimed, "These are not raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. The big drops are 10-cent pieces and the little ones are fives." So let us know some new words of this paragraph. Predict. Predict means foretell the future, means पूर्वानुमान करिबा. Exclaimed. Exclaimed means cried out suddenly in surprise. आश्चर्य है कि पार्टी करी उठिबा. Cent. Cent means currency of Latin American countries. So Latin American countries mudra cent. 1 peso is equals to 100 cents. Like in our country, 100 pesos is equals to 1 rupee. Approaching. Approaching means coming fast. शीघ्र माड़ी आसुवा माड़ी आसुवार. Okay. So let's understand the paragraph better. Now we are really going to get some water, O man. Here, O man perhaps refers to Lencho's wife. So Lencho called out his wife and told that they were really means indeed they were going to get some water. तो लेंचो तार स्त्री को डाकिला एवं कहला जे आमे किछि जल पाइबाकू जाउचे. The woman who was preparing supper replied, "Yes, God willing." The woman means Lencho's wife At that time, Lencho's wife was preparing supper. Supper means the evening meal. In most Latin American countries, they eat heavy meal in the evening, and that is called supper, like our dinner. So Lencho's wife, she was preparing supper. Replied means answered. Yes, God willing. तो लेंचोर स्त्री जे कि सपर प्रिपेयर करथिला इवनिंग मील तैयारी करथिले तो से उत्तर देले हाँ भगवान को इच्छा. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all, come for dinner. At the time, the older boys of Lencho, means Lencho's son, older sons, they were working in the field, and at that time the smaller boys were playing near the house. Until means porjanta, until the woman means Lencho's wife called to them all, come for dinner. So लेंचोर स्त्री तो से जो पिलामानकु डिनर को डाकिया पर्यंत से ओल्डर बॉयज वयस्क पिला माने कौन करथिले जमी रे काम करथिले एवं छोट पिला माने से घर पाखरे खेलुथिले. It was during the meal that just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. So when Lencho and his family were taking meal at that time, as Lencho predicted, तो जमती कि Lencho अनुमान करथिला गेस करथिला, big drops of rain began to fall. तो जेतले Lencho और ता फैमिली मील खाउथिले बा ताकर भोजन करथिले तो जमती कि Lencho पूर्वरु पूर्वानुमान करथिला तो big drops of rain तो बड़ बड़ वर्षा टोपा सब पड़वा को आरंभ कला. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. So in the northeast side, Lencho could see huge mountains of clouds. तो northeast side रे Lencho कौन देखि परथिला तो ह्यूज माउंटेन्स माने पर्वत आकार जो मेघखंड सबू भासी आसुथिबार से देखि परथिला. The air was fresh and sweet at that time. The air was fresh and sweet. Fresh means सतेज एवं sweet means मधुर. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body, and when he returned, he exclaimed, "These are not raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins." So when the man, here the man refers to Lencho. So Lencho went out for no other reason, only to feel the pleasure of the rain on his body. And when Lencho returned, he exclaimed, he called out in surprise, "These aren't raindrops falling from the sky." तो एगुड़ाक से जो आकाश रू जो पड़ुचे एगुड़ाक रेनड्रप नुह, दे आर न्यू कॉइन्स. मीन्स Lencho consider the raindrops as new coins. The big drops are 10 cent pieces and the little ones are 5s. So Lencho compared the raindrops falling from the sky as new coins. He again compared the big drops of rain with 10 cent pieces and the little drops of rain are 5 cent pieces. So this is the paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. In another video will study more paragraphs. Till then, goodbye.